Hey, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, it's French fry day here at the house. And I'd like to share with you my favorite kitchen gadget, the French fry cutter that I use. As you can see, I've already started cutting fries up. I've already started frying some. So I want to review this cutter for you today. Also, I want to share some secret season that I use to put on my fries. We'll get to that in a few minutes, but I want to share with you my favorite kitchen gadget, the French fry cutter. Here we go. This is the cutter. This is the box that it come in. Okay, in this box, it comes with instructions. Comes with some instructions if you want to look at the instructions. Also, this is the cutter itself. This cutter has this is the knife. These are the knives that actually cut the fries. This is the container that holds the fries. It just fits in here. This comes apart. This is what pushes down on it for cleaning purposes. It'll pull right off. Just put it right back on there. It snaps right in there like that. What we do, we just take a potato, put it in here, a little easy tap. Put this on here, mash it down, and there's your fries. Oh, those are nice cut fries. Really, really nice cut fries. Wow. We're going to have a lot of fries tonight. Yep, but that's how it normally works. Just take your potato, probably give it a good whacking. Try to make sure that it goes on straight, okay? Because if it don't go on straight, you're going to have kind of a problem going through there. But we'll knock it down, take it up. There's your fries. Wow. Remember, easy cleanup, comes apart. The knives come off. This comes out for easy cleanup. And there you have it, a quick review. Fits like that when you put it together. There you have it, a quick review of the French fry cutter that I really like. Normally when I cook my fries, I usually put a little salt and pepper on them. But this season here is one of my favorites. I hope you can see it. It's a Cajun style. If you want Cajun fries, I just sprinkle, make sure the top don't come off. I just sprinkle a little bit on the fries. Now you got seasoned fries. That was so good. My review of my favorite French fry cutter. So, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.